Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the crisper pan in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open out the package, you're going to get a new crisper pan. There are a couple of the identical crisper pans located at the bottom of the fresh food section. They could be used for storing fruits and vegetables. The main reason to replace the crisper pan is if it's cracked or broken and won't glide in or out. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. To remove the crisper pan, we need to pull it out and then lift it up, and then we can remove it. Let's place it on the table, and now we're going to remove the slider. To remove the slider, we need to put the finger on this tab and do two motions. Pull it towards you and push it out. This is the old crisper pan next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, let's bring the new crisper pan to the desk, to the table. Okay, gonna bring this crisper pan in this position, and I'm going to install the slider. We've got here a groove. You can see that little groove here. And we're gonna insert that into the cutout. So the groove will lock over this edge. Push it on. And now we're gonna press down on this side. So this little clip locks and the frame is stable. And now we can get it into the fridge. To install the crisper pan, we need to slide it onto the rails and push it in. And now, where we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.